satisfyingly clear. It's surrounded by so much dirt, but it's still clear. Technically, we might be going a bit too far, but
whatever. I don't care where we go, as long as we get somewhere. I have no clue where we're actually going. This is where Trystin lives. So, are we like trespassing anywhere?
No,
Or not?
There's like right there.
Alright.
Get back down here.
What?
I did not expect it to be deep.
If it's deep, I'm not going in. Ha. Ha, funny joke. So, is there any other way?
Yes.
There's more ways.
And just keep walking.
Nature vlog, guys. Oh, spring at its fullest, guys. Beautiful.
Amazing.
If you have a pollen allergy,
I don't smell anything.
probably not gonna. No, rest of my friends, all my other friends out here are like, put my hood up so no ticks. All my other friends are out here going to weddings and seeing movies today. Nah, we're out here doing that nature. Nature.
That thing's prickly.
It is?
We have a few of those things around here.
So what, I gotta look out, what, I have to look out for them?
Yeah. Watch where you step.
Alright.
Yeah, I forgot. Wait, this giant tree that down.
Let me see.
Look at that thing, dude. Look at that.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, that thing literally shook our house when it fell.
It did? I'm gonna get this over here. Look at this guy.
This is the mud swamp, the mud pit. Justin's friend was built a little bit taller than Justin before we lived here. He stepped into that and it went up to like his chin.
We're not gonna go step in that, are we?
And he didn't even step in the middle, where like it's deepest. No,
We're not gonna step in that, are we? Okay, because we're not. Guys, you don't understand how beautiful nature is until you're out in nature. Until you understand how beautiful it is. The sun gets in my way. That's not beautiful. More nature.
Satisfying
Kind of
ASMR.
Oh, ew.
And it just gets absorbed.
That was just plain disgusting. That was just plain disgusting.
Absorbed.
But it was just plain disgusting. That's the swimming area over there.
Down over there.
Down there.
Can't really see it.
And that's
Want to
the
go see it
trees.
like up close?
Let it go.